Noella Marcano Studios. LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Wombi's diarrhea sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Doesn't it feel good to poop? And why does Hayley manipulate me like that? Is she a jerk? Oh, hi, it's me, Untold Loneliness Oswald, and I am very frustrated because my girlfriend Hayley was trying to make fun of me on purpose. But anyways, I will preview the slime sound effect from Amarashi Freak. It's from a video called Amarashi Scat PT, 1 at XXYOUR local Gacha Kid XX. It was uploaded on. Oh. I need to use my tummy muscles and push. Much better. But anyways, it was uploaded on August 22nd, 2025, which was 2 months ago. The duration of the sound is 0:35 to 0:44. Making it 9 seconds in total. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now, I will preview the sound effect to see what it sounds like. It sounds like this. See? I told you that the sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for IRL Noella's OCs and characters when they play with slime. Apparently, I am still frustrated because of what Hayley has did. She just cheated on me with another. Oh. I still need to poop, and like I said, I need to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better now. And besides, she has cheated on me with another man, so this is all Hayley's fault. Hayley, get over here right this instant.
Oh no, what is it right now, Oswald?
Hayley, I am very disappointed in you. How could you make fun of me on purpose, manipulating me, and cheat on me with another man? Why did you do that?
But honey pie, I'm sorry for what I did. I promise I won't do it again.
No buts, and sorries won't work this time. For that, we are canceling our marriage for IRL Noella's 18th birthday.
What? Oh no, please don't cancel our marriage.
Too bad, so sad. You should have been polite or respectful towards me. As of today, I am breaking up with you. Get out of my sight right now, and I will never see your ugly face ever again.
Aw, man.
Ugh, I am so sick and tired of Hayley. And you know what's better? I just got myself a new girlfriend, and her name is Yuki. So, Yuki will be my new girlfriend for today.